Our planet is at a tipping point. It is at a threshold. There is something severely wrong when a tree is worth more dead than alive, when a whale is worth more dead than alive, when most of the wildlife on our planet is worth more in a cage, in a market, or cut up into parts than it is alive. Wak Gatak is the sister organization to Planet Indonesia. We focus on reversing the negative impacts of wildlife trafficking and illegal natural resource trade on biodiversity and society. So while Planet Indonesia focuses on conserving at-risk ecosystems in situ, over time we saw that there was a need. We started seeing progress on the ground, working alongside villages and governments to better manage ecosystems, but we realized there was outside forces. There was high demand for wildlife products and natural resource products. There was gangster-like activity that would often prey upon indigenous and local communities and exploit corruption in the government. True to our values, we are a needs-based organization, and we saw the need for a new branch and a new face that would accompany Planet Indonesia in its mission and vision. This is when we created Wak Gatak. Wak Gatak focuses on ex-situ conservation, outside of protected areas and biodiverse ecosystems. We focus on reversing the negative impacts of wildlife trafficking and illegal natural resource trade on biodiversity and society. At Wak Gatak, we have 4 major programs currently. First, we work on demand reduction campaigns, using innovative, groundbreaking behavior change strategies in order to reduce the demand for wildlife products in Indonesia. Second, we work alongside the Indonesian government and international stakeholders to improve law enforcement, working with custom agencies, police, and natural resource law enforcement agencies in order to cripple supply chains and stop illegal extraction of wildlife and other natural resources. Third, we work alongside other research institutions in order to produce high-quality trade research to uncover supply chains and help governments and law enforcement agencies identify convergence points and important loopholes in supply chains where illegal activity may be happening. And then finally, we have built the only avian rescue center in Indonesia dedicated to helping to rehab, reintroduce, and rescue Indonesian songbirds from the Indonesian cage bird trade. By supporting Wak Gatak, you are helping save some of the world's rarest wildlife.